Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some previous year question in the chapter money and credit. First question, what is credit and how does credit play a vital and positive role? The answer for this question, credit refer to an agreement in which the lender supply the borrower with money and good or service in return for the promise of future payment. So credit play a vital role and positive role because credit help people from all the walks of the life in setting up their business, increase their income and support their families. Second, to some people loan help lot of constructing their houses, get relief from the monthly rent. Third, to other it help to lot of raising their standard. If you take the example like Salim, the credit help him, he is the able to increase his earning. Next question, which are the two major source of formal sector in India? Why do we need expand the formal source of credit? The answer for this question is the two major source of formal source of credit are that is bank and cooperative, and they need to expand formal source of credit because they to save the poor farmers and worker from the exploitation by the informal sector of credit. Second, informal sector charge a high rate interest on the loan, which means that large part of the earning is used to repay the loan. Third, formal credit can fulfill various needs of the people through the providing the cheap and affordable credit. And it is necessary for the bank and cooperative society to increase their lending facility in rural areas because dependence on the informal sources of credit reduce. Second, to provide more loan facility to the rural household to save the rural peoples from the exploitations. And it is important that formal credit is distributed more equally so that poor can benefit from the cheaper loan. And bank and cooperative society have to be increase their lending facility to improve the livelihood of the people in the rural areas. Next question, how can formal sector loan be made beneficial for the poor farmers and workers? The answer for this question is the formal sector loan can be made beneficial for poor farmer and worker in the following way. First, create awareness to farmer about the formal sector loan. Process of providing loans should be made easier and it should be simple, fast and timely. More number of nationalized bank, cooperative banks should be open in rural sector. Bank and cooperatives should increase facilities of providing loans so that dependence on informal sources of credit reduce. Sixth, the benefit of loans should be extended to the poor farmers and small scale industries. Seventh, while formal sector loan need to be expanded, it is also necessary that everyone receive these loans. Next question, how are deposit with the bank beneficial for individual as well as for the nation? Explain with example. The answer for this question, deposit with bank are beneficial for individual as well for nations. First, bank accept deposit also play a amount of interest in which the people earn money. Second, people money is saved with the bank and it is easy for individual to get credit who have saving and current account in the bank. Next, poor people who engage in the production need credit, and credit provided by the bank for the government project help in development of the nation. Next question, the credit activities of informal sector should be discouraged. The answer for this question, the credit activities of informal sector should be discouraged because around 80% of loan taken by the poor household in the urban area from the informal sources, and informal lenders charge very high interest rate on their loan. There are no boundaries and restrictions, and higher cost of borrowing means a large part of the earning of the borrower is used to repay the loan. In some cases, the high interest rate for the borrowing can mean that amount to be repaid in greater than the income of the borrower, and this could lead to increased debt and debt rate. Therefore, credit activities of informal sector should be discouraged.